Alright, I just got asked regarding the campaign structure for the fashion brand. So I love to build the campaigns first around AOV, second around the product category. So imagine you have the fashion brand and you have skirts and boots. Obviously you will have expensive skirts, cheap skirts, expensive boots and cheap boots. So I would build 4 campaigns. It's obvious from my perspective to separate by product category. Why? Because different products in different product categories acquire different customer categories, and from the campaign management standpoint, it's easier just to have them separately. And why do we separate by AOV? So since we're using the bid caps for the products with higher AOV, your bids should be higher, and for the products with lower AOV, bids should be obviously lower, just to have the consistent ROAS across the campaigns. If you mix different products on the single page and in the single campaign, in this case, yeah, Facebook will stabilize for the bid that you've set, for the CPA that you've set as a target, but your AOV will be jumping up and down, and this will cause ROAS volatility. And if you separate the campaigns by AOV, you will have the consistent bids across all the assets in there, and in this case your ROAS will be consistent. So for products with higher AOV, you will set up the corresponding bid, which will be higher, and for the cheaper products the bid will be lower. So this is how I approach the campaign structure for the fashion brands.